wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cooking torches. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're new to torch cooking, the gibot adjustable is a good beginner's model. It won't break the bank, so you won't have to spend your grocery budget to buy it, and it's simple to use, so you won't have to double your grocery budget to replace all the food you burned. It's great for lighting cigars as well, and uses inexpensive fuel. However, it is less powerful than other models. At number 9, if you want to create some serious heat, the JB Chef gets incredibly hot at the higher end of the temperature regulator. That's fantastic for searing meat or roasting peppers, but if you're not careful, you can easily take your food from toasted to charred. It's good at lighting on the first strike, and the fuel tank is easy to refill, but it leaks if not stored upright. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Sterno Professional will function well regardless of whether it's upright or inverted, allowing for lots of versatility in the kitchen. Of course, if you find yourself doing a lot of upside-down food prep, you may need to cut back on the cooking sherry. It comes with a reliable safety lock and is great for gratins and meringues. However, it can only use Sterno brand butane. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking torches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Keen Smart has a continuous flow lock, taking the strain off your hands if you have to do a lot of glazing. That makes it a fantastic buy for users suffering from arthritis or other joint problems, as they won't have to keep taking breaks to rest. This one's great for lighting grills, and its wide nozzle produces a broad flame, but the igniter isn't terribly durable. Moving up our list to number 6. You can sear your meat without singeing your mitts thanks to the handguard on this model from Apes Labs. It also has a gas flow regulator, so you can keep the flame from getting too formidable and hopefully eliminate the need for the handguard. It features a quick-fire ignition and comes with a chef's hat. However, it's a little on the bulky side. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Iwatani Professional attaches directly to a butane can, so it won't take up much space at all when not in use. That makes it easy to stash in a bag for camping trips or on a tray next to the grill. Its igniter will need replacing sooner rather than later though. It works with standard butane canisters and uses a simple trigger-style ignition, but the flame suffers when it's tilted. At number 4, the durable Gerdari Mini is a smart choice for chefs who plan on using their new toy for years to come. The sturdy housing can even handle a fair bit of abuse if you're the type who tends to have butterfingers while making s'mores. It features a convenient adjustment knob and a child safety lock, and it works well when inverted. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the flame on the Joe Chef Professional can reach temperatures as high as 2500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it as suitable for searing your next T-bone as it is for roasting a pepper. The silicone grip will stay comfy even if you need to use it for hours at a time. It comes with a heat-resistant placemat and produces a steady and consistent flame. It's excellent for browning sugar. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking torches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Eurkitchen Culinary produces a clean and consistent flame, ensuring that your creme brulee tastes like heaven instead of like butane. The fire is stout enough for non-kitchen use as well, making it a great choice for the crafts-minded. It's easy to tell when it's turned off, and the flame extends up to 6 inches. It uses little fuel. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the long barrel on the Pepe Nero allows you to really get in there when glazing without having to worry about burning all the hair off your knuckles. It's a wonderful addition to any beginning chef's toolbox, as it gives you room to see what you're doing. It comes with measuring spoons and is great for generating wood smoke. It's got a nice ergonomic grip. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking torches, or simply click beneath this video.